In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover missing ChatGPT conversations. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process for accessing your ChatGPT account easily and hopefully retrieving those lost conversations. The first thing we need to do is log into ChatGPT using your Google account, which can streamline the entire process and make it more straightforward. So, to begin, open up the ChatGPT app on your device or go to the official website. As soon as you arrive at the interface, you should see a friendly and inviting layout. It's designed to be user-friendly, which makes things easier for you. Once you're there, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You should see an option that looks like a little menu or tool icon. Go ahead and tap on that. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, and at the very bottom you will find an option that says Log in or Sign up. Go ahead and tap on that button. This is where you will start the login process. Now here's where it gets really simple. You'll see various options for logging in, but today we're focusing on the Google option. So look for the button that says Continue with Google. Before you select that though, I want to make sure you're aware of something important. You need to have created a Google account prior to this step, because it's essential for the login process. Once you've confirmed that you have a Google account ready, feel free to tap on the Continue with Google button at the bottom of the screen. This action will prompt a process that allows ChatGPT to access your Google account. It's a standard practice to ensure that everything stays secure and that you're the one logging in. Now, after you select that option, a window will pop up asking you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, select the designated one that you have been using for ChatGPT. Following that, confirm the access permissions that are requested. This is a routine step that helps protect your information while allowing you to log into different applications. Once you've given the necessary permissions and accessed your Google account, you'll be able to log in directly. You'll find that, within just a moment or two, you're greeted with the familiar ChatGPT interface. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your ChatGPT app using your Google account. There's something satisfying about using one of the most convenient methods for logging in. Not only is it quick, but this method also helps reduce the chance of forgetting passwords, thus helping you recover those important conversations with ease. Now to recap just in case you missed a step. First, you logged into ChatGPT by tapping the tool icon, then you selected the Login or Sign Up option, and from there went to Continue with Google. After that, you selected your preferred Google account and granted access. Simple as that. I really hope that this video has helped you navigate the process of logging in and possibly recovering any missing conversations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave your comments below. I love connecting with you all and answering any queries you might have. Thank you for watching till the very end, and I can't wait to see you soon in the next video where we'll explore more tips and tricks for using ChatGPT effectively. Stay tuned.